Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Trendy Gadgets. Number 1. A smartphone with mobile hotspot support. Unlike the iPad, there is no option to add 5G to a Macbook to stay connected when Wi-Fi is unavailable. However, your smartphone can be the connectivity you need. If you have a cell phone plan with a major US carrier, you might have access to a mobile hotspot option, so make sure to check with your carrier if your plan allows the feature. That way you can connect your MacBook to cellular connectivity with ease. The experience of staying connected on the go is even better if you use Personal Hotspot on your iPhone. There is a feature in the Apple ecosystem called Instant Hotspot, which allows you to connect to your iPhone or iPad's personal hotspot without having to enter your password. This allows you to connect the internet when you need to seamlessly. Despite having this great feature, it is important to note that your phone's battery may drain faster when using it as a mobile hotspot, so be sure to pack a phone charger if you plan to use the feature for an extended period of time. Number 2. MagSafe charger with extension cord. Of course, you can't travel with your MacBook if you don't have its charger with you. Even though Apple's silicon chips have drastically improved battery life in MacBooks, it's still better to be safe than sorry by bringing your charger with you. In addition to bringing the charger, it's a good idea to use the extension cord that Apple sells separately for its chargers, so you can easily connect to an outlet. But if you are concerned about being low on battery, you should also consider using low power mode on your Mac when traveling. Number 3. External battery pack. Despite carrying a charger, there may be times when you find yourself in a situation where you can't find a place to charge. That's why you should consider picking up a portable external battery pack that can be handy when you really need some power. External battery packs that charge laptops don't have to be massive, so you won't have to worry about adding significant weight to your bag. Since external battery packs vary in mAh capacity, you can find a smaller or larger unit. However, according to an article by Coolblue, the maximum capacity for a power bank allowed on an airplane is 27,000 mAh. Therefore, make sure you can take the battery pack you choose on a plane. Number 4. A USB-C hub. A USB-C hub can be a necessity for you when traveling, especially if you have a MacBook that only offers USB-C ports. You don't want to be in a situation where you may need to connect your laptop to a 4K TV, or you need to connect a USB-A device and not have the proper adapter. Thankfully, USB-C hubs can give you HDMI and SD card slot, additional USB ports, and more. Some great USB-C hubs even offer a micro SD card slot or Ethernet. There are also a variety of USB-C dongles available for you to select, so whichever ports you need, there's a good chance you can find a USB-C hub that features it. Number 5. An external SSD. Since recent MacBooks start with 256GB or 512GB of storage, in addition to the high price of upgrading the SSD, you may want to purchase an external SSD if you need more storage. Remember that you can't upgrade the SSD on recent MacBooks after the initial purchase, so if you need more storage while traveling, this might be your best option. You can also save a fair amount of money by using external storage, and carrying around an external SSD isn't a significant issue for many people. For example, the Samsung T7 Shield portable SSD costs $89 on Amazon for 1TB of space. To get the same amount of internal storage on your Mac, you would have to spend an additional $400 to upgrade the SSD to 1TB on a base model M2 MacBook Air. That's a big difference, and you can even get more external storage for less than that. If your workflow requires you to work with huge files and your MacBook doesn't have terabytes of storage, an external SSD is a great solution, and it's easy to carry with you. Number 6. MacBook sleeve. While traveling with your MacBook, it's best to protect it with a case or sleeve to prevent potential damage. A sleeve might be a good option if you want to protect your MacBook but don't want to add much like bulkiness or weight to your bag. Apple used to offer leather sleeves for MacBooks, but they are no longer available for some newer models. While pricey, you can still find a few from third-party sellers such as Amazon. Companies like Leatherology, InCase, and others also make sleeves for MacBooks if you're looking for a different style or a more affordable option. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.